Welcome back guys to Mathematical Mindset. So we have this question right here on our screen. This is a simple math square root simplification. So we are asked to solve this. So that I'm going to share with you two methods in which you can actually use to solve a question that looks exactly like this right here. So the first method is, so let's go on to method 1. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to simply rewrite the expression using exponent rules to simplify the nested square roots. And we know that from the law of exponents, the root of a is equal to a raised to the power of 1 over 2. Hence, now we can easily rewrite the first root right here, which is, we can easily rewrite this to be the root of 8 multiply double root of 8 multiply triple root of 8. Alright, so for the first root, we have this to be 8 into 1 over 2. Multiply for the second root, I have it to be 8 into 1 over 2 for the first root. Multiply 1 over 2 for the second root. Multiply 8 into 1 over 2 for the first root. Multiply 1 over 2 for the second root. Multiply 1 over 2 for the third root. So let's simply simplify this. We have this to be 8 into 1 over 2. Multiply 8 into 1 times 1 will give us 1 over 2 times 2 is 4. Multiply 8 into 1 times 1 times 1 will give us 1 over 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And we have this right here. So once we are done, all of this right here is always the power of 8 from the question. Okay? So the next thing we want to do is to simply apply the exponent rule. So apply the exponent rule, and that the exponent rule states that if we have this to be 8 raised to the power of n multiply 8 raised to the power of n or p, this is equal to a raised to the power of p into m plus n. So let's apply this right here to this. We have this to be 8 raised to the power of 8 multiply, now we're taking the powers, we have this to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8, right? Next is to take the LCM of the powers. We have this to be 8 raised to the power of 8. Now the LCM of 2, 4 and 8 will give us 8. 2 into 8, 4. 4 times 1, 4 plus 4 into 8, 2. 2 times 1, 2 plus 8 into 8, 1. 1 times 1 is 1 right here. And this will give us 8 raised to the power of 8 into the LCM is 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And we have this to be this right here. So from this, 8 here is going to cancel out this 8, and we have this to be 8 raised to the power of 7. But 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. So this is going to become 2 raised to the power of 3 into 7, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of 21. And this becomes our final answer. So let's share with you method 2. Alright, method 2. So we have this to be method 2. And we have the question that says the root of 8 all into the root of 8 all into the root of 8 all raised to the power of 8. So let's try out method 2. Alright, we want to note that the root of a is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So we are going to write out the first root right here, and we have this to be 8 into the root of 8 into the root of 8 all into 1 over 2 or bracket 8, right? So 2 here 1, 2 here will give us 4. And we have this right here to be 8 into the root of 8 into the root of 8 all into 4. Okay, so let's simply expand this. We have this to be 8 raised to the power of 4 into the root of 8 into the root of 8 all raised to the power of 4. Alright, 8 is going to multiply all this. Alright, so from this point, we want to simply take out the second square root. So this is going to become 8 raised to the power of 4 multiply. We have this to be 8 into the root of 8 all into 1 over 2 all into 4. Okay, so from here, 2 here 1, 2 here is going to give us 2, and this is going to become 8 raised to the power of 4 into 8, the square root of 8 raised to the power of 2, which is going to give us 8 into raised to the power of 4 multiply 8 raised to the power of 2. Then we have this to be the root of 8 all into 2. So taking the last one right here, we have this to be 8 raised to the power of 4 multiply 8 raised to the power of 2 multiply 8 into 1 over 2 into 2 right here. And we have that this 2 is going to cancel out this 2, and we have 8 raised to the power of 4 multiply 8 raised to the power of 2 multiply 8 raised to the power of 1. So applying the exponent rule that says if we have it to be a raised to the power of x multiply a raised to the power of y multiply a raised to the power of z is equals to a raised to the power of x plus y plus z. So applying this here, we have this to be 8 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 8 raised to the power of 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. But 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3, so we have this to be 2 raised to the power of 3 into 7, which is equals to 2 raised to the power of 21. And this is the final answer. So guys, these are the two methods that you can actually use to solve this type of question.